I've been waiting a while to get one of these Berserker helmets. So with this sale, I decided to pick one up. Packing is nice. My box has seen a little bit of wear, but it was packed really well. Comes in a really nice bag. The little poster that was smashed. Some stickers. Bottle opener. Goggles. These are pretty cool, actually. I didn't get anything fancy. I wanted to just try the basic ones. I do ride at night sometimes, and I didn't want any color or anything weird obstructing my vision. There's the audio. This has been a problem with me. I like to listen to a lot of audio, but on the freeway, I have some problems with my current unit, so I was excited to try this one. Quality on the helmet looks pretty good. I hate that chin strap. The finish looks really nice. Those magnets are pretty strong. Really easy to get to. That's cool. Visibility within the helmet is pretty good. I mean, it's a little limiting, but not bad. The keychain has an Allen on the end. It's pretty cool. The Allen fits the helmet. Finish is really nice. In a matte with the red. Looks really good. The only craftsmanship issues I've seen is that it seems a little bit loose right back in here. I don't know if it just needs to be tucked in better or what, but I'm gonna pop that out and see how the audio works. Comes with everything you need. Speakers, Bluetooth unit, power cord, little screwdriver, which was nice. Didn't have to go out to the garage to find mine. Fits perfect. I believe that's the antenna connection. And it goes into the gold side. Pretty easy to tell which one goes where. It came apart plenty easy. There's obvious spots for the speakers, so it's not too hard to find where everything goes. It was not as easy to put back together as it was to take apart. A little hole down there, that's where you feed the cables through from the speakers, or the one cable. They push in, both of them just push in. And then when you put it back in, you kind of have to gently pull the cables down so they don't obstruct the unit as it goes in. It does not slide in as well as I'd hoped. This is where the helmet feels a little chintzy. But eventually I got it in there. I still wasn't totally happy with how flush it was, but that's where you need to pull. That does not stick to that at all. Not at all. Rubbing alcohol and some of the good stuff. Doesn't feel like there's any film on it. It feels like that material doesn't stick well to the sticker. This stuff usually sticks to everything. But look at that. It can't stick to it. So how am I supposed to mount that thing? So if I full on press either one of those things, look at that, it will not stick to that material. It's the same with this. This is very tacky. I mean, it's still tacky after I tried to get it to stick on there. But if I spend full effort getting that thing on there, looks like it's gonna get placed somewhere right about there, wherever I can get it out of the way and run the line underneath there. I hope that doesn't mess with the cheek pad too much. There is no way to put it where it's supposed to go. That is a mic symbol there. On, off, volume up, volume down, power port, and I believe that's a reset. It really did sound great. I would get out and ride with this thing right now if it weren't for COVID.